Don't want to go to work, but I gotta go to work. It's a good day though. Look at the sky. Very nice. Look, right? Very nice, but I gotta go to work. Peace out. Diet, but your coworkers like to bring goodies. Tim Hortons. Oh, that looks so good. Right there, that's so good. I'll eat it later. From work, look, there's too many riders. Yeah. Sana all. She's gonna show me something. It might be my gift for my birthday.
I know it's your birthday. I'm not planning this.
Oh, you're buying me ticket?
No!
What is it? Is this a dead animal here? Smells like dead deer. She's showing me something, so I guess it's my birthday gift.
No, not yet. No.
It's a new car. Is it a plane ticket going to the Philippines?
Not yet, because that's almost 1 year.
Is it an Apple Watch?
Nope.
Is it a new laptop?
I mean Apple Watch. You don't have Apple.
I do have Apple. Did you see my...
Is it
Oh, it might be a laptop.
No, not yet.
The hell? Will take me to her work.
Bitch, no.
What the hell?
Oh yeah, I have a lot of glasses. I bought 11. Oh! At home.
Show your hair.
Stranger Things. Ew, no.
Guys, and a deer. Good morning, dear. I had to have Vice. And she so finally saw the deer. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, it's okay. I'm getting my chiropractic done. It's my first time. And I'm scared a little bit. Yeah.
A little discomfort right there.
No, not really.
Okay, good. A lot in there.
Mm-mm.
Pain there?
No, no pain.
Good. Do you feel pain here at all, or do you just kind of feel a little off kilter?
No pain, Done full speed. I do it here all the time. I have the same problem. You do. When I do that stretch, I do it like this. And like this. There you go. Perfect. That'll help maintain that upright posture because when you catch yourself leaning forward and you stand up, you do a little bit of this. Sometimes you're like, sometimes you're like, sometimes you won't. This stretch is taking all those fast and just so gentle you will never hurt yourself. Don't even do it until you think about it. I see. We're gonna work right over here on this table.
Kain ulit. Korean style.
하고 싶었던 춤이 딱 골라 어디든 갈 걸 수박보다
Anyong piling? Anyong piling?
Anyong tubig. Anyong lupa.
Anyong tao?
Ano nga yun? Mga anyong anyong.
Anyong tao? Ikaw? Anyong Anyong tao? Anyong aliman? Animal? Strawberry picking na bukas. Sayang. My work at Kitch. busy na dyan bukas. Ayun na, may tent daw. Strawberry picking forever. Where is it? I lost it. No. Wes, what are you doing? Hi, what are you doing? Vice is going crazy. Vice, what are you doing? Uy! Baliw na siya. It's a bee! It's a bee! It's a bee! Wait, come here!